So, let me ask you fire. Like how they must say, well, get look so heavy rain and breeze and them things. You know, you don't think it will. Now, go be no challenge.
Hey, you know how much time then talk then see him sitting there, Natty?
Yeah.
Right? No, seeing is knowing. Hearing is believing. Believe is two-way out. When it comes to the final, you can be right and you can be wrong.
Yeah, I know that, man, but I just say...
What you see is what you know, right?
In case if it
Good,
come.
good, good.
In case it come, you know.
Alright, you get threat.
Yeah.
You get threat.
Yeah.
Whether it is right or it's wrong, I thought you could take it because it happened.
Mm-hmm.
If it is not something where really happened, then you could say a fraud.
Yeah.
But it's not every time it happens because of good and bad issue. A lot of times they will spread false rumors, right? Just to get attention. You see, brother? Yeah. How the place look right now look serious, right?
Look serious, yeah.
Good. They say it's only rain.
Rain alone, I get.
We're going to get water, yeah. Because Jamaica down in a hole, you know. Yeah. So, all the other countries, them will all will mash up. And Jamaica safe because over Jamaica, the bridge always pass, right? When me hear and hear storm, you know, I hope some me hear the rascal thing. I whistle say, whoo! Me say, me rascal. Hear this, sir?
Oh, then the man there
Me
whistle.
mama brass clot. You see just choke it down in a one hole, eh? All of the other one them opposite way.
Eh. Pick up licks.
I don't know see bottom with there now. Yes, sir. Jesus God we always get the less blood clot, big boy, yeah? Yes, sir. And now they say water we intend to get right now. Tomorrow we're gonna start, you see, right? Now, I wouldn't mind the breeze come with it all 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, man.
I laugh, no.
Fidua. Lord of mercy. 100 miles per hour.
Yeah, me tell you. You know, you me sing the music. Hey, more me and you do a music, you know that. Come on. You can't talk, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm want to do a music with you, yeah?
Yes, I.
It was we. I met them here.
Yeah.
And no fuck. Because when me done talk, me know you will listen to me and find something to say to you now.
Yeah.
Yes? I'm 15.
I'm 15.
I met them here with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Come here, go teach you. Yes. Yeah, my son. Bigger man for your ass clot, boy. Hey, listen now. You can't plan corn and repeat. What you sow, you're gonna reap. Don't you never see smoke without fire? Well, other music that we are going to sing here. I mean, you and every bumbo clotting boy and you talk behind it.
Talk behind it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I met them here. Benji and Jolie.
And Jolie.
Yes. Right, two of them, my brother. Now, fuck. Right? Cause me appreciate you.
Yeah.
Yes. And me she said, well then, you understand me. Cause, Jolie, we understand me now.
Yeah.
Yes. Cause I'm bumbo clot terribly now. But you always warn me, no said, do not put me in no trouble now. Yeah, Joseph always warn me, say, no put me in no trouble now, Natty. That's why anyway me and you go, me know you say M. A blood clot, you know. I don't you hear say M. Because you don't want, you know, mix up with me. Me God. And me God Almighty. So the man silent to blood clot. God, the man, they look like that man a troublemaker, you know. I mean, you know. Right? Right? But him still appreciate thee because thee not really go out of the way that much for them get no clue by me, you know, you understand? Attack, they attack. They not rob nobody, man, and they not broke nobody house, so you understand? I mean, I tell lie. Yeah. I man talk what me see and what me know. You king? Yeah. So what happened, you know? As I said, I wouldn't mind
100
a
miles.
storm come here. 100 bumbo clot miles an hour. When me look all the car them up na the hair. Hold on. You talk, you laugh. Hey, listen. Hey, and when you hold on pantry, you say,
Yeah,
your
the
hand pop out to blood clot. So the breeze a sweep, right?
Yeah.
No. You see anytime me up there
Yeah.
with them, how me look and see no me alone. Rastafari. You see when me up there with them bumbo clot, eh?
Yeah.
And me say I no power way up there, go so.
Yeah.
I saw me the pan. Hey! Hey! Don't you fuck out now. Me know me out there too, you know. But me no care. Me only want to see when me look.
I know you want.
The blood clot card symbol. Human being. You want you sweep on a ras clot and me say yes. This is it.
This is it.
Yes, call them are dead and not dead fast enough for me, yeah? Cause the world when me born going to sit is wrong. I preach equal rights and justice. I preach equal rights and justice and peace and love, brother. And nothing like that me no born going to see, yeah, brother? Yes, sir. If there was peace and love and equal rights and justice, we would not have jail and prison and gun and police and soldier and guns and fucking alarm and big mouth dog and the fucking
have mercy.
destruction around us. Serious, brother? Me are here already, you know. And there is no other way out, right? So, I'm fight the back up because I'm afraid of that end, you see? Yeah. Me can only talk, but it would have the end to go this way. If it never had the end this way, then it wouldn't go in this way. You understand? So when me a talk, and I know me alone, hundreds of man thinking the same way as how me thinking, right? And look, no man, everything is just a matter of time, yeah? Yes, sir. So, big changes me see now. From my boy days until now. Things don't remain one stage. Things move stages to stages, right? So the stage what we into right now, we say, Ross Clot, if we move on to another stage, boy, well, I mean, I know we have a money because when we go on the blood clot road down and see where you carry them, you can't go nowhere in a traffic, you're there half hour to Ross Clot can't go where I go. Me say, I hope them drive up now here a little more. Yes. And days is numbered, boy. Yes, man. God Almighty, man. Bobby wrong. Both Babylon in band with land out time mama bumbo clot. Bobby wrong. Hear that? Them better drive up now here a little more.